On every rooftop, clean energy begins with clean panels.
Meet the Jagrut Solar Cleaning Robot.
Engineered for smart, effortless maintenance.
With our advanced dry cleaning tech, it removes dust and debris without using a single drop of water. Spiral brush design lifts and sweeps out dust downwards. Its self-aligning wheels adapt instantly to panel variations, ensuring smooth, precise movement. Self-solar-powered technology that delivers continuous cleaning, keeping operational costs minimal. When the job is done, it auto-docks seamlessly, recharging itself while it rests, always ready for the next cycle. Smart scheduling lets you plan cleanings exactly the way you need. Set it, forget it. But what if? Smarter than the weather. With Jagrut Solar Cleaning Robot, it's not just automation, it's self-sustaining solar maintenance. Clean panels, higher output, zero operational cost. Jagrut Solar Cleaning Bot, 'cause every ray counts.